Hey, good morning guys, selamat pagi. So we end up sleeping at Mill Up Beach. Look at the view of, yesterday was crowded, but look at the view this morning. So peaceful. Oh, we slept here, and last night I went to the bathroom to fill up some water, and guess what? I saw a kangaroo about that high. It was crawling in the dark. I said, what the hell is that crawling in the middle of the night? Like two of them crawling back to back. I say, itu manusia ke? Is that a human being or is that something else? It's quite big. I never heard of a bear in Australia. I don't think it's a bear. Then it turns out, luckily there was a bit of a light at the back and give us like a silhouette. I said, oh, it's a kangaroo. It's quite big. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna give you guys a view of what I'm looking at right now. Okay, I'm gonna change the angle. Hey guys, okay, this is one of the view from Shirley Point. It's beautiful, eh? Cantik kan? Tapi parking spot untuk bus susah parking untuk bus. I have to take up like 3 car park space, but luckily we are here early in the morning. Kita keluar pagi kan, lepas subuh kan, so not that many cars I can use up the space, otherwise susah. Okay, let's go back up. Kita pun belum breakfast ni, baru makan alas perut 2 telur rebus. That's it. Apa tengok won't miss it for the world lah. Looks so nice. Okay guys, this is the area where you can actually spot whales. It's not the season yet, but yeah, it's quite a distance to walk from the car park. It's actually near the what do they call that place again? Lighthouse. There's a lighthouse at the end of the Mill Up. So if you drive up to the lighthouse, there will be a walkway that you can walk. Just walk on. It's a nature walk. So if it's during the whale season, you can actually see whales around here. I'm gonna go. Look at that, man. Look at the view. Subhanallah. Okay guys, ini lagi satu beach. Nama dia Red Gate Beach. Okay, so have a look. Itu tayar dia tu. Tayar flat habis tu.